Have you ever wondered what changes you should make after turning 60 to ensure a fulfilling and comfortable life? As we age, the choices we make can significantly impact our well-being and quality of life. In today's video, we'll reveal the 8 crucial things you need to avoid to live your best life after 60. From managing your finances wisely to maintaining your health and relationships, these insights are essential for anyone looking to enjoy their later years with peace and vitality. Stick around until the end to discover practical tips that will not only help you avoid common pitfalls, but also empower you to embrace this exciting new chapter of life with confidence and joy. Before we begin, I would appreciate it if you like this video. You can help me continue to spread the old age lessons. If you haven't subscribed yet, I recommend you subscribe and turn on the bell so you don't miss any videos. If you like this video, please comment number 1. If you don't like it, comment number 0 to let me know so I can make a better video for you. Now, let's get started. First, what should one let go of as we approach the age of 60 and beyond? It's essential to reflect on what we should release to maintain a fulfilling and stress-free life in our later years. There are 8 specific behaviors and attitudes that can significantly impact the quality of our senior years. The first among these is the tendency to be excessively soft-hearted. In everyday life, many individuals take pride in their role as the benevolent Good Samaritan, always eager to help others and unable to say no to requests, no matter how unreasonable. While this inclination is admirable in theory, it can lead to considerable stress and complications if not managed properly. People with this disposition often find themselves burdened with the problems and demands of others, which can encroach upon their well-being. A poignant illustration of this is the case of neighbor Lao Long, a retired gentleman well regarded in his community for his willingness to assist others. His warm-hearted nature led him to help his neighbors with various needs, and he was frequently praised for his generosity. Unfortunately, this very kindness eventually led to personal misfortune. One fateful day, Long discovered that his home had been burgled and some of his most valuable possessions were stolen. Following a thorough police investigation, it was uncovered that the culprit was a young, unemployed man who lived nearby. This individual had repeatedly borrowed money from Long, who, driven by his soft-heartedness, had complied with every request without hesitation. The young man saw Long's kindness as an opportunity to exploit him, ultimately leading to the theft. This story serves as a powerful lesson about the pitfalls of being overly accommodating and the importance of setting boundaries. While it is commendable to offer help to others, it is crucial to strike a balance and recognize when it is necessary to protect oneself from potential exploitation. In our later years, it is especially important to prioritize our safety and security. Learning to decline unreasonable demands and safeguard our well-being is key. As you navigate through your senior years, consider letting go of the compulsion to please everyone at your own expense. Instead, focus on maintaining a healthy balance between generosity and self-preservation, ensuring that your kindness does not become a vulnerability, but rather a source of joy and fulfillment in your life. If you learned a lesson from this, please leave a comment of gratitude below the comment section of this video. Secondly, don't be willfully optimistic. Regardless of age, there is a natural tendency in human nature to exhibit excessive optimism, especially when it comes to relationships with family or close relatives. This inclination often manifests as an unwavering commitment to being kind and forgiving, regardless of how you are treated in return. You may find yourself extending unconditional support, overlooking faults, and continuously giving others the benefit of the doubt, all in the hope that your positivity will eventually yield better outcomes. However, this kind of optimism, while seemingly a virtue, can have significant drawbacks. Instead of fostering genuine, healthy relationships, it often leads to dynamics where your kindness is taken for granted, or worse, exploited. When you maintain an overly optimistic view despite mistreatment, it may inadvertently signal to others that you are willing to tolerate their negative behavior. Unchecked optimism can create an environment where your feelings and boundaries are not respected. This can result in deep emotional hurt and frustration as you realize that your optimism has not brought positive change, but rather made you vulnerable to being mistreated. It's important to strike a balance, maintain a positive outlook, but be realistic about the behavior and intentions of those around you. Set healthy boundaries and don't allow your optimism to be exploited. Thirdly, don't become too obsessed with socializing. True confidence is rare. While friendships and social interactions are important, not every encounter will lead to lasting or meaningful connections. In the later stages of life, it's crucial to exercise greater discernment when choosing friends. Cherish genuine friendships, those characterized by mutual respect, trust, and shared values. Quality matters far more than quantity. Fourthly, don't neglect saving money. Regardless of age, the principle of saving remains crucial. Financial stability provides peace of mind and confidence in later years. Without savings, individuals may live in constant worry about unforeseen expenses, particularly healthcare. Medical costs can quickly deplete resources. Establishing a health savings account or provisions specifically for healthcare ensures timely treatment and preserves well-being. Fifthly, don't underestimate the importance of health. Health is the greatest wealth. Without it, life's joys lose meaning. Maintaining health involves regular exercise, good nutrition, adequate sleep, and a positive mindset. Financial burdens from poor health can surpass even lifetime earnings. Thus, prioritizing health is both a personal responsibility and a duty to family. Sixthly, don't lose your temper with family members. As we age, patience and empathy are essential. Harsh criticism or anger can damage relationships. Approach disagreements with calmness, compassion, and understanding to foster harmony within the family. Seventhly, don't worry excessively about descendants. Children and grandchildren have their own blessings. It's natural to want the best for them, but over-involvement only creates stress. Allow them space to grow, face challenges, and develop resilience. Instilling values like hard work and self-discipline is more valuable than material wealth. Lastly, don't overly prioritize relatives. Family ties are important, but excessive attachment can lead to disappointment or exploitation. Remember, loyalty isn't guaranteed by blood alone. Friends, mentors, or colleagues may sometimes prove more supportive. Focus on personal growth, nurturing meaningful relationships, and building a fulfilling future through wisdom and self-improvement. So, what have you learned from today's video? We've covered essential tips on what to avoid after turning 60 to ensure a fulfilling and comfortable life. I'd love to hear from you. Which of these 8 things resonated with you the most, and which one will you start implementing in your life? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please leave your comment and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Your support helps us continue creating content that enriches your life. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. So, what have you learned from today's video? We've covered essential tips on what to avoid after turning 60 to ensure a fulfilling and comfortable life. I'd love to hear from you. Which of these 8 things resonated with you the most, and which one will you start implementing in your life? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please leave your comment and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Your support helps us continue creating content that enriches your life. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.